Okay, let's introduce the battery, charging and discharging machine, and the general testing machine workshop. This area is ready, waiting to pack and delivery. And this is half stock. You can see the component and the boxes. Here I have also the BMS tester also. This is the structure of general testing. This is the aging unit, different voltage. This box is normally for 848 volt. This is for 70. These are the component stocks. This is the BMS tester. Testing the BMS. And here are some assembly line. These are our test room. We will sometimes also do some experiment here, and here the wires, and see the software. Okay, mostly like this. Our office is over there.